What's up, guys? We are in Colorado. My brother and I and his fiance are we came to Colorado to visit my brother-in-law, which is that guy right there, and my sister. And today our brother-in-law took us to a little reservoir, and so today we're gonna be try fishing for some trouts. I've actually never trout fished before, so let's give it a go here. This is the spot. Just got here. Honestly, it looks crazy. Looks dope. Alright, guys, I'm trying to learn how to fly fish. I've never fly fished before. My bro and my brother-in-law are using just good old classic spinning reels, but I'm gonna try to. It is super windy, which I don't know if that helps, but. Dude, it's hard to get any range on this thing. What do you mean? Yeah, so far this is not going well. I'm good for now. I'll wear sunscreen if I can figure this out. Okay, that one low-key actually felt decent. Felt decent. Didn't go far, but. Bro, you know I forgot to put the I forgot to put the thing on here. The floatant. Well, it's already wet, so I don't know if it'll work now, but. But you gotta think, when I finally get a good cast, are they even gonna bite that cast? You know, I gotta do it all over again. Bro, do you need pliers? My brother just caught his first one. Nice. I'm gonna pick up the spinning reel is what I'm gonna do. I need to get a few catches in first, and then I can run this back if I need. on this little spinner. Just on my spinning rod. Just because the fly fishing is a little bit difficult and it's a little windy, which is not helping my fly get out there. Sure. Alright, it's my turn with Senor Max. I'll rat. Alright guys, I got Max, the rat. Hey buddy, buddy come here, come on. Good boy, good boy. Look at him, the fishing dog. Alright, stay right there buddy, stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Come here, right here, right here. Alright Max, bring me good luck please. Dude, this is such a nice little reservoir, but it's so pretty here. I thought maybe I felt something, bro. Yeah.
That was off, bro.
Sorry, Max. Okay. Oh, we got one. Yep. Yep. Hold up, bro. I'm just gonna take my shoes off, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's a rainbow. I see some rainbow patterns on it. This is my first trout in Colorado. Nice little rainbow. There it is, guys. Give me a kiss. Thank you, buddy. Look at that, Max.
Oh, wait.
Let's go. First fish of the day. My first Colorado trout. How hype is that? Bro, Elijah, can I turn your glasses on again? It is pretty nice, pretty nice. Right here.
Fish taking it that way. Look, you see it?
Take these. Where is it?
You see it way over there?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
getting pushed way over there now. I know. Tell one of the guys to kayak the snag.
All right, Max. Max, you with me again. Hold up, buddy, hold up. All right, let's go, buddy. Right here, you and me, right here. You and me, right here. Okay. All right, you stay right there, Max. All right, guys, look, I'm back on rat duty. Look at him. Max, say hi. Hi, buddy. Cutie. That's true. I could whip, I could fish that. If you want to fish this one a little bit, I could sit with Max too. Bro, but the string is crazy, but they hammer. On this little ultralight, it's... This is like a... Yeah, bro, this is like a little panfish rod. You want to fish this? Yeah? Here. Dude, the strike is nasty with it, bro. Where's Max's water? Where's Max's water? Here, let me. Okay. Come here, buddy. Come this way, buddy. I gotta get my shoes.
Hi, friend.
Now we're down, buddy. Let's go. Come on. Oh, he's following you now. Look.
Oh, perfect.
Max. Yeah, he's a cutie. Come here, buddy. This way. You want to go over there? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, buddy. I'm going to get you some water. Pretty in the sand, so I could really... Bro, I'm not going to lie. I was just about to take a drink of this. I had a water bottle in hand. I was just kind of autopiloting. Just about to take a sip of this. Max, you want some water? There you go, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. It's hot. Drink up. What do you mean? Because you tangled, boy. Because you tangled. Good job. Alright, we're going to get Max a... We're also going to give Max a little treat. Because he's a good boy. Here you go, buddy. Good boy. Alright, guys. I'm going to try going out to this little sandbar out right here. Get a few casts in. From over there, where my bro and my brother-in-law right there, we've been fishing, haven't gotten a bite since I got that last fish, so that was maybe what, 20 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago. So I'm gonna try to walk out to the sandbar. It's pretty shallow, it appears. Try to do some casts that way. What? Bro, the water is cold. Alright, my brother's telling me get out. I'll do it. It's like, it's so shallow still. Try throwing a few casts over here. maybe I had one, but it might just be rocks. It is pretty shallow here, so. Ooh, the wind is picking up. Jeez. I might be on one. There we go. Another one. There's the second one of the day, boys. Would you look at that? Another beautiful little trout. Right there, bro. Let's go. Thank you, buddy. As you guys can see, this is a pretty big estuary. It's very beautiful. There's a lot of families here out paddleboarding, kayaking with children, dogs. Some people just out beaching, chilling, walking. So it's a really nice little park. A few other people fishing as well. My brother-in-law told me that this estuary holds trout, as well as I think some salmon, some pretty decent size, he said. So it's pretty cool. That's a shame. There's one, guys. Dude, the fight is crazy on this ultralight panfish route, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it's kicking. There it is. There's another one, boys. Third one of the day. Up for the camera. Oh shoot, I'm sorry, buddy. These guys are slimy. There's another one. This one's pretty long, actually. Yo! Yes, sir? My brother just said I can go sit in the car now because that's 4 for me. It's a nice one. I'm gonna wash them off a little bit so you guys can get another look at them here. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? These trout are such pretty fish. Let's go, boys. So guys, just got my second one of the trip. Let's see, let's get at it. And so the limit is 4 each. So there's me, my brother, and my brother-in-law. So we can get 12 total. And we do plan on taking them home, just because my brother-in-law and my sister like to eat them. And I was thinking maybe if we catch enough, I might make fish tacos for us tonight. Whew. Alright guys, I'm gonna walk back to where my brother and my brother-in-law are, since I caught 2 over here. I might see if my bro wants to come over here and I'll help him watch his dog a little bit. guys, so I'm back at the shore. I just measured these guys. So this one here, little brown trout, I think the regulation here is 14 and under, and you get to keep one. And that one is 12. And then this is the rainbow, and there's no size requirement on those. So yeah, let's go. About to string them up. Let's do this.
Alright guys, the better bro's taking over. We're gonna go fish where Alkin was just at. Hopefully we can get a couple. Yeah, wish me luck, wish me luck. I'm trying to go to the island again right there, so let's get it. All right, first cast over here, first cast. Got him. Hung up on a rock.
Guys, I'm going back to the juice. Hopefully it still produces. Alright, let's go. Let's see if we can get on some more over here. I think right now we have four out of 12, so we need 8 more to get our limit. After that, we either go home or we'll just keep fishing for fun and catching and releasing. Ooh, it's really windy. This new spinner is not casting as far as the other one was. This one's a little bit smaller. But my brother broke off on the other one, so tied up a new one. But like I said, this one's just a little bit smaller, so I can't cast it as far. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, I just got off. Did you guys see that in there? Man, how did that get off? That's unfortunate. That looked like a nice one, actually. Let's see if we can get another one. It's my first one of the day that bit the lure and got off, unfortunately, but I had it on. Hopefully they keep biting though. Let's see if we can get another one over here. Got one bite over here, and then one that was on that got pretty close to my feet and then came off. Let's see if we can get a few more. Alright, we'll do last cast here. Lucky cast. And then we'll go chill by my brothers again real quick for a little bit. Probably come back out here. Alright, we back. We're on shore this time. How many do we have now? 6. Okay. Halfway there. Sure. Always. Always, bro. Bar hopping is second place to fishing for me. Well, I mean, that's bar hop then. Let's do it. I'll bar hop solo, bro, if y'all don't need the whip. Gotta find the new juice. Let's try this spot out real quick. Alright guys, and we are heading back home. We have like an hour and a half to get home, so we don't want to get home too late, but give you one last good look at the place. Super beautiful. Yeah, it was a great day. Good day of trout fishing. Fun to get on some trout. And I'm back on rat duty. Let's go. Say goodbye, Maxie. Good boy.